Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to move bear trap in Kingshot. In this tutorial, we'll explain how the bear trap, also called the pitfall, works in Kingshot and clarify that it cannot be moved like in some other games. The bear trap is an alliance event where high-ranking members, leaders, and R4 plus trigger the trap to lure a raging bear, giving the alliance a 30-minute window to rally troops and deal damage. Multiple rallies can be launched during this time and they don't consume governor stamina since there is no mechanic to place or move the trap. Strategy focuses on optimizing participation, position nearby cities to trigger rallies quickly, upgrade the pitfall building to level 5 to gain up to 25% attack bonuses, and coordinate alliance members to complete intel missions for hunting arrows. Selecting the right heroes, troop formations, and rally timing ensures maximum damage within each trap activation window, making your alliance beer hunts much more effective. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.